CSS Flexbox justify content. CSS Flexbox justify content explained in simple terms. Here's a simple way to understand the justify content property in CSS Flexbox. The flex start. The item are grouped at the start. Here we go the coding site. We create the HTML page inside the container, and the 3 images. Now, we will design the entire box where we will place the 3 pictures. And we called the deep tag in the style side and write display flex. Write the justify content start, and the display shows no changes because default option is start. That's why the 3 images are the start on box. Flex end. The item are pushed to the end. If we do the justify contain value end, we see that the 3 images are going to the box end. Now show the 3 images are going to box end. Center. The item are placed in the center. If we do the justify contain value center, we see that the 3 images are going to the box centered. Nor we show what the result. The results are images going on centered. Space between. The equal space between items, with none at the edges. We show the practical first with known images are inside the deep, so we control the deep. That's why the images are controlling automatically. Now we set the value in justify content a space between. We show that and what happened. That's what happens. The 3 images between spaces are equal. Space around. The equal space around each item, with half the space at the edges. If we use the justify content spaces around, so what happened to the images? Images are going to center and the same space follow, but the 2 sides are used half spaces. Spaces evenly. Equal space between all items, including the page. If we use the justify content spaces evenly, so what happened to the images? The images are follow the same distance from one to another. Makes it easy to arrange items in a flex container. Shortly, justify the content's value, followed by creating this chart if you don't remember downloading it.
If our video helpful to you, so subscribe to my channel and get new video.